Smile, show me where it hurts, 'cause you ain't got nothing to worry about. I said smile, no matter what you heard, there's a pale shade of gray, my friend. So smile, 'cause you ain't got nothing to worry about, anything at all.
Hi everyone, as you guys know me, may I proceed to the next topic. It's about the differentiate between the pencils and mechanical pencil. Let's talk about this pencil. But actually, both of these pencils have the same primary function, is to write anything we want on the paper. But for the secondary function, this one we can do any writing for hot in the religion writing, but this we can do in language, in English, in Malay. Of the features, the size of this pencil, as we can see, it was triangle shape, but for this it's round shape, but it is broken in the back of the pencils, and the color is purple as we know, and the color is blue, and the dimension it was same as we can see. Meanwhile, for the characteristic of the pencil, as we know, as we can clearly state about it, is pencil is more power because it made of from wood, but this is made from the plastic. As we can see, this pencil. As a last but not least, this pencil have no warranty, but we can buy it, we can get it in any shops, in any stationery shops with the affordable price. So check it out guys. Thank you. Hope you enjoy my video.